The making process for this glue is quite simple. Beautiful. For usage outside, this is the way I prefer to proceed to minimize the chances of tearing up the paper. for inside use. This is my favorite method to apply the glue. Note that I use the glue here also on both sides to minimize paper wrinkles and air bubbles. To keep the glue the longest, store it in a closed container, as this will prevent the water from evaporating. Place also the container in the fridge, as this will slow down the aging process. If you follow those two rules, you can keep the glue for about 1 week. Past that duration, the glue will start deteriorating, as the wet flour activates amylase enzymes that break down starches into sugars. The glue will become a lot more watery with possible formation of exotic molds. For indoor applications, it will stay there until you remove it. For outdoor applications, it will depend on a few things. It will depend on the cleanliness of the support it was pasted on the quality of the paper, on whether the paste is exposed to rain or wind or both, on whether cleaners are active and zealous, etc. For this alien project, this is how this paste originally looked like. And this is how it looked almost 2 years later. Note that this is not the glue that gave up, but the paper itself under the attacks of the burning sun, the heavy rains, the urinating farmers, and of those creepy crawlies that feast on paper. I have discovered that snails and slugs seem to love paper, and can make complete posters disappear. Let's verify this with the paper label we pasted on our glass last time. Let's see what happens after it has spent 5 minutes underwater. Yep, still holds. Leave it dry again, and you are good to go. There again. Let's dip our glass a couple of minutes in water. And if you want to remove the label, simply peel it off. Clean with a brush any glue left over. And the label is gone. As a last final test, I will put our paste of the young boy on his wooden horse outside. That will give us an opportunity to monitor how this paste will evolve over time.